Yeah, they moved the boat back up. See, you can see it real good.
Yeah,
You're sitting
I'm taking
there.
a video, so we'll see. Ooh.
My evening showers up there, see it.
When the fireworks go off, you can see the flame down from the boat that's setting it off.
They moved the boat
Yeah.
up. It went down and on the other side of the island, and they must have come back from the dock because they had lights on to begin with.
Ooh.
Well, in the end, they shoot everything off at once. It's a, you know.
Oh, I like those sparkly ones.
You know when it's the end.
Hey, we got the best seat in the house.
Yeah. You think so? I knew it would.
Oh, those are pretty.
Yeah. I gotta get down this page.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm on my knees.
Oh, okay. Four and a half minutes. Kenneth probably wants to make sure no ash falls on his house over there.
It doesn't. They're all just by the time it gets to the water, just smoke. There goes the plane right through
I
it.
saw that. I bet it's a drone.
Well, yeah, it could be. It's coming back.
Yeah, it's a drone. Dummy. If it gets hit, it deserves it.
Yeah, it's going away again. Oh, it came up. The drone to come up is flying up over this way.
Yeah, I see it up there.
Stars and the green ones are very bright.
Mm-hmm.
That one's high. Pretty.
Lots of smoke down there off the boat. You see it?
Yeah. That's it.
I see the drone out there now, flying right over by the boat.
Oh, yeah.
It's going through the smoke now.
Yeah. Some kid probably over the town hall is running it. Let's shoot it down. I like that. It's pretty.
Woo! Woo! Here we go.
This
Look
is
at that.
This is the end.
Wow. Wow. Better than Disney. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Yep.
The stars.
Yep. That's high in the sky too.
Oh. That'll scare the geese.
The reflection of the
Yeah,
water.
it's really pretty.
There'll be a big boom now probably. Maybe not. I don't know. That's it. The end. Just fog.